Ugh. I need a bigger one. It's not working, it's dead. Or is the extension not good? I like when it's one leap. One leap for regular people is a giant leap for me, because everything I do is always something. But let's see if it's the freaking charger or if it's not charger. You see the light is on. I hope it's this. Oh. I bought it, it's new. Forgot I have that plastic bag on my head and it makes my forehead sweat. Alright, so light tester time. Alright, that worked, I know. There you go. I'm not sure it's really dead. You need this. Whatever this is. Very hard. Very hard. Alright. I'm sitting. was the man. Shampoo. Yeah. I got it. I did it. See, that's my wall. So at night, it lit up. And I also have a light around here as well. But I'm going to put one of that right here. I hold that up after I get that tile or render. Or maybe I render it. Now after I get it rendered, after I render this, I put one right here because I have this here. So I can abandon it and have one of that right here. Oh, style. The house need to rub off on paint. But so much to do and no capital. Fancy. Yeah. So now is to get some granite sand because I have no granite sand. And the other one, the other sand, is the one that I sift and mix it with the granite sand to do around that, and then I silicone it in. But now that's that. So I'm going to plug this puppy out. But now plug this puppy out by going inside the house, plug it out. Yeah. I did it. Everything I think about or dream in my head, I literally do it. And I don't get help, so I have to do it myself because no one knows what's going on up here except for me. And this was my thing. Now I want to, it's not going to be yellow actually. It's going to be white or grey, as the yard, grey. And put advertisement on it, like write it up like my first logo, then my second logo, and the name changes and all of that from what year to what year. And then my YouTube name, my TikTok name, my Instagram name that I rarely use. I don't use Facebook, but I have Facebook and I was told everything I post. I don't know which one linked to it, if it's TikTok or Facebook, but I have no password for that. So whatever is linked to it, whatever I put on one of them, I think it's Instagram, goes on it. So yeah. And my grinder is dead. It's no good. Warranty finish. But I'm still going to take it back to the tools. Wipe it up and take it back to it and let it look on it. Bye. Not bad at all. Yeah. That just needs to fuse in now. Yep. Just my little work around there. So I push it in the extension hole. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Well, I have to plug it back out anyways. So yeah, it need I think, well, as I said, I need a electrician to put a plug hole on it. Oh yeah, I can make extensions too myself, but I don't want to. So I don't know. I can do it, but I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna get Courtney to do it or an electrician do it. The guy who always comes here who do my AC.